Okay, hello my families, welcome back. And in the previous session we have seen that the 34 basic Amharic alphabets and their subgroups in total, okay? And after that we have started on seeing what special Amharic alphabets, and we have said that such alphabets, these special Amharic alphabets, they are not daily used in Amharic language, in writing or in speaking, okay? They are what? Sometimes. They are used sometimes, or they are barely used in Amharic language. But we need to know them. So, let us start, okay? The first special, okay, this one they have no order, okay? As the previous one, the basic Amharic alphabets have what? They have sequence, okay? From 1 up to 34, they have sequence like in English language. The sequences starting from A to Z or to Z. In Amharic also, the sequence or the basic Amharic alphabet starts from basic alphabet Ha and ends with Pa, okay? But here in special Amharic alphabets, it has no order, okay? You can make the order as you like, okay? They have no order, just only to know them. Okay, so this one is not the first, this one is not the second. Okay, this one also can be the first, so they have no order, okay? This one is not a sequential order, it's not a chronological order, okay? Just, they are only put based on nothing, okay? It's not their order, okay? You can make this one is the last or this one is the first, they have no order, okay? No problem, just only, it's the purpose is to know them, okay? So this one is called what? Alphabet Chua, okay? Chua, okay? But one thing I want to tell you is that this special Amharic alphabet derive themselves from the basic one, okay? They derive themselves, or they came from the basic Amharic alphabet. So they found themselves from the basic Amharic alphabet, from the 34 basic Amharic alphabet. So this alphabet is called what? Chua. So it comes from the basic alphabet Cha, okay? We have seen that there is a basic Amharic alphabet called Cha, and its subgroups were Chu, Chi, Cha, Che, and Che, Cho, okay? We have seen that. So this one is called what? Chua, okay? Chua. It has what? It has a horizontal line on its leg, okay? If this horizontal line is not found here, this alphabet will be Cha, but this one has a horizontal line on its leg, so it's called what? Chua, okay? Chua. So it came from the basic alphabet Cha, okay? This Chua came from the basic alphabet Cha, okay? The other one is Roa. This one is called what? Roa, and this alphabet called Roa came from the basic alphabet called what? Ra, okay? If you remember, there is a basic alphabet called Ra, and its subgroups were Ru, Ri, Ra, Re, and R, Ro, okay? Ro. So this Roa, this alphabet called Roa comes from the basic alphabet Ra. So this one is called what? Roa. Whereas this one is called what? Moa, okay? Moa. And as you know, this alphabet Moa comes from the basic alphabet called what? Ma, okay? We have said that from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, there is an alphabet called Ma, okay? And its subgroups were Mu, Mi, Ma, Me, and Mo. So this alphabet called Moa, okay? This one is called Moa, come from the basic alphabet called Ma, okay? Okay, whereas this one is called Gua, okay? Gua. And this alphabet called Gua come from the basic alphabet called what? Ga, okay? We have said that from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, there is an alphabet called Ga, okay? And its subgroups were Gu, Gi, Ga, Ge, G, and Go, okay? Go. We have said that. So this alphabet called Gua comes from the basic alphabet called Ga, okay? Whereas this one is called what? Lua, okay? Lua. This one is called Lua. And we have said that there is a basic alphabet called La, okay? So this one, Lua, comes from the basic alphabet called La, okay? La. And we have said that La subgroups were Lu, Li, La, Le, and Lo. So this one is called Lua, and it came from the basic alphabet La, okay? Whereas this alphabet is called what? Hua, okay? And this alphabet called Kwa come from basic alphabet called Ha. Ha. We have said that there are two types of Ha from the 34 basic Amharic alphabet. The first one Ha. Haleta Ha, the first one. Whereas the third one is also Ha. Which Ha? Hamaruha. So this Kwa come from that Hamaruha, okay? Ha, Hu, He, Ha, He, He, Ho. Okay? So this Hua come from the basic alphabet called Ha. Ha. Number 3 basic Amharic alphabet called Ha. Hamaruha, okay? It came from this one. Came from Hamaruha. Okay? And it's called what? Hua. Hua. Whereas this one is called what? Pua, okay? Pua. Pua. So this alphabet is called Pua, and it came from the basic alphabet called Pa. Pa. We have said that there is a basic alphabet called Pa, and its subgroups say Pu, Pi, Pa, E, P, and Po. So this one is called what? Pua, and it comes from the basic alphabet called Pa, okay? Pa. The other special Amharic alphabet is called what? Swa. Swa. So this Swa comes from the basic alphabet called Sa, okay? Sa. We have said that there are two types of Sa, okay? Shukao Sa and Nukusu Sa. This one comes from Shukao Sa. Here, Shuka. Shuka means in Amharic fork. I have told you that fork means in Amharic language Shuka. Since it looks like fork, here, it has hand-like gesture, okay? Since it looks like fork, or in Amharic Shuka, it's called Shukao Sa. Sa. So this one comes from the basic alphabet called Sa, so and it's called what? Swa. This one is also Swa. We have said that there are two types of Sa, and this one is also come from Sa, which Sa Negusu Sa. We have said that there is a Sa called Negusu Sa, since it has what? Negus means crown. A king has a crown on its head. So this one, since it looks like a crown, it's called what? Swa. Okay, Swa. And it came from the basic alphabet Sa. So this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Swa. The next special Amharic alphabet, this one is called what? Shwa. Shwa. And it came from the basic alphabet called what? Sha. Okay, Sha. And this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Kwa. Kwa. This Kwa comes from the basic alphabet called what? Ka. Ka. We have said that from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, there is an alphabet called what? Ka. Ka. So this one, special Amharic alphabet called Kwa, comes from the basic alphabet Ka. Okay, Ka. Whereas this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Boa. Boa. Okay, Boa. Let me interrupt you. This special Amharic alphabet, all of them have what? A U sound, okay? They have a U sound. You, all of them have U sound, okay? Chwa, roa, moa, goa, loa, hoa, poa. See? Swa, also, shua. All of them have U sound. Shua, kwa, this one is kwa, this one is poa, okay? So, this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Poa, and it came from the basic alphabet called Pa, okay? Whereas this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Voa. Voa. We have said that there is a basic Amharic alphabet called Va. Va. So this Voa comes from the basic alphabet called what? Va. Va. Okay? Whereas this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Swa. 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 We have said that there are a basic Amharic alphabet called Sa. And there are two types of Sa, okay? This Sa and another Sa. So this Swa comes from the basic alphabet called what? Sa, okay? So this one is called what? Swa. Swa. The other, this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Twa, okay? Twa. This one is called Twa. And this Twa comes from what? The basic alphabet called Ta. Ta. We have said that there is a basic Amharic alphabet called Ta. So this Twa comes from Ta, okay? And this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Chwa. Chwa, okay? And this Chwa comes from the basic alphabet called what? Cha. Cha. We have said that there is a basic Amharic alphabet called what? Cha. Cha, okay? So it's called Chwa. And this one is called, this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Hua. Hua. And we have said that there is a basic Amharic alphabet called Ha. Ha. So this Hua comes from Ha. And we have said that there are two types of Ha, okay? So this is called what? Hua, and it came from what? The basic alphabet called Ha. And this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Noa. Noa, okay? It's called Noa. And this Noa comes from what? The basic Amharic alphabet called Na. Na. We have said that there is a basic Amharic alphabet called Na. So this Noa comes from what? Na. And this one is called what? Nua. Okay. This one is Noa, whereas this one is Nua. Okay, Nua. So Nua come from a basic Amharic alphabet called Nya. Okay, Nya. This one come from Nya. Okay, so it's called, this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Nua. Okay, Nua. The other one is, and this one, this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Kwa. Okay, it's called Kwa. And Kwa comes from the basic Amharic alphabet called what? Ka. Okay, Ka. We have said that there is a basic Amharic alphabet called Ka. So Kwa, this special Amharic alphabet called Kwa, comes from Ka. Okay, Ka. And this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Fwa. Okay, Fwa. It's called what? Fwa. And this Fwa comes from the basic Amharic alphabet called Fa. Okay, Fa. We have said that there are 34 Amharic alphabets, basic one. So there is an alphabet called Fa. So this Fwa comes from the basic Amharic alphabet called Fa. And this one is what? Hua. Previously, there is also Hua. This one is also Hua. This one is Hua. Okay. This one is also Hua. Okay. Both of them are Hua. They can be used interchangeably. If you want to write a word with an alphabet starting Hua, you can use either one of the two. This Hua or this Hua. Both of them are similar. Hua. Okay. We have said that from the 34 basic Amharic alphabets, there are ha. There are ha similar to ha. Okay, like ha, like sa. There are two ha. That's why this one is also Hua. This one is also Hua. Okay, they can be used interchangeably. So this Hua comes from the basic alphabet called ha. Okay, and this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Zwa. Okay, Zwa. And this special Amharic alphabet comes from what? The basic alphabet called za. This Zwa comes from what? Za. There is a basic Amharic alphabet called za. So this is Zwa. It came from za. Okay, so this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Zwa. This one is Zwa. Whereas this one is Zwa. Okay, you need to differentiate this. This is Zwa. This is what? Zwa. Whereas this one is Zwa. Okay, Zwa. So this special Amharic alphabet called Zwa comes from the basic alphabet called Ja. Okay, Ja. This Zwa comes from za. Whereas this Zwa comes from Ja. Okay, Ja. So this is called Zwa. This special Amharic alphabet called Zwa. And this special Amharic alphabet is called Zwa. The next one is Dwa. Okay, this special Amharic alphabet is called Dwa. And special Amharic alphabet Dwa comes from the basic Amharic alphabet Da. Okay, Da. We have said that there is what? An alphabet. There is what? A basic Amharic alphabet called Da. So this Dwa comes from Da. Okay, and this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Dwa. The next one is what? Jwa. This special Amharic alphabet is called what? Jwa. Okay, and it came from the basic Amharic alphabet called Ja. Okay, Ja. And this special Amharic alphabet is called what? Twa. We have said that there is a basic Amharic alphabet called Ta. So this Twa comes from Ta. This special Amharic alphabet is called what? Twa. The last one is what? Pwa. So this special Amharic alphabet Pwa comes from what? From the basic Amharic alphabet called what? Pa. Okay, Pa. So these are what? Special Amharic alphabets. If you know them, they are important. Okay, but mostly we are not using them. Okay, in Amharic language when we write or when we speak, since they are what? They are unique. Okay, and in day-to-day language they are not mostly used. Okay, but if you know them, they are important. But the basic one are the 34 basic Amharic alphabets and their subgroups. Okay. Okay. In the next class, we'll see some revision. Okay. On the points we have raised. Okay.